Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set Zen Browser as your default browser with this complete 2026 guide. First, open Zen Browser on your computer and go to Settings. Next, use the Search Settings box and search for Default. As you can see, there is no Make Default or Default Browser option available in this version of Zen Browser. This means that the current version of Zen Browser does not provide a built-in setting to make it your default browser directly from the browser settings. So if you've been looking for this option and can't find it, that's completely normal. It isn't missing from your browser. The feature simply isn't included in this version. Future versions of Zen Browser may add a dedicated Make Default button or improve Windows integration. If that happens, you'll be able to set Zen Browser as your default browser much more easily. For now, there is no built-in option available to complete this task from inside Zen Browser. That's all for today's guide. I hope this video helped you understand why the default browser option isn't available in your version of Zen Browser. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Zen Browser tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.